Hello and welcome to another update video on XRP. So XRP is on its way to the next target that we talked about in the last few days again and again. We've now formed that lower low I wanted to see compared to the previous one that formed around the 4th of November. Or on the 4th of November actually. So that's good, right? I know it doesn't feel good if you're currently I don't know, in an aggressive long position. But again, it shouldn't be a surprise because from a chart analysis point of view, it pointed towards the $1.98 level at the very least, okay? Now, again, it's not a guarantee that we get there, but it seems like it. And it's the level I communicated already in videos over the last few days. If you're on Discord, you also obviously get the written notifications. Here, just a few days ago on the 14th, I posted that the price appears to be in wave C of Y. And the $1.98 level is the first ideal target. So we're getting closer. At the time, the price was around $2.26. So it's all currently playing out. What the first signal that we had that we're going down and that this B wave had topped, which we've been tracking for a while, was a 5-wave decline. Again, so from an educational point of view, it's important to understand that it's all about the 5 and the 3 waves. If we get 5 waves into a direction after a clear 3-wave move up, it's an indication we're heading down. And then we can use the Fibonacci ratios that we use, like for example, the 100% extension, as an ideal target range. Now in this case, we're basically there or nearly there. We've reached this $2.05 to $1.92 area, which is the next Fibonacci zone to watch. But specifically, the 100% extension is a first ideal target for a C wave. It's measured based on the length of the A wave. So we use the Fibonacci extension tool, we measure that, and then we compare it with the length of the C wave. And again, that gives us the 100% Fibonacci extension level. Obviously, we can go lower. That wouldn't be a major problem. $1.92, $1.76 is all part of what a standard wave 2 correction can do. It's just important to understand that $1.98 is like a milestone target. It's an important level to watch. If we track a C wave like that, it's also the 1.236 and the 1.38 extension, which is relevant. But I want to show first of all what the first ideal level is so people have some kind of orientation and then we can take it from there. So I'm not saying we have to form a low there. It might even be that we go a little lower, but yeah, we're getting into the right, let's say, to the right direction. Also, what we talked about was this channel here in which we're moving, some kind of a channel or a wedge pattern. So I'm also at the same time watching the lower boundary line of this channel. And then for any upside reversal signal, any meaningful upside reversal signal, we will need to see a break out of this channel to the upside. So that means an upside breakout above the yellow line, which is currently coming in around $2.18, $2.17. Yeah, it's obviously a dynamic resistance level. And then obviously this previous swing high is going to be relevant at around $2.24. Break above it, that opens the door to the next level at $2.52. But as I said many times in previous updates, the next real level or zone that needs to be broken, which is really meaningful, is the zone above, highlighted here in red, between $2.69 and $2.84. Yeah, so that's the update on XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then also check out our X channel for additional updates, news, and much more. And if you want to join MCO and also get access to our Discord server, feel free to join as a gold member. You can find the links in the comment section as well. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.